What's going on, guys? In today's video I'm going to show you how I traveled to Ibiza, Mykonos, Santorini and Venice all for free using points that I earned from my Amazon FBA business. Make sure you stay tuned to the end. You're not gonna want to miss this. Wait, check out this view. Alright guys, we're gonna do this video a little different. We're gonna shoot it in our hot tub in Santorini. Let's get right to the computer. What's going on, guys? I'm Ecom Dave, and for those who don't know me, I am a six-figure Amazon FBA seller and FBA coach. This channel is all about entrepreneurship and obviously Amazon FBA. Before we get started, I just wanted to show you guys my annual business report and show you what I've done in sales for the past year. So what you see right here, September 21st, 2018 to September 20th, 2019, I've done $160,000 in sales. So I know a little thing or two when it comes to Amazon FBA. And for those who don't know anything about Amazon FBA, let me just simplify the business for you real quick before we get started. So Amazon FBA, you simply just buy products from China, right, at wholesale price for a very low cost. So say, for example, we're gonna sell neck pillows. You go to Alibaba.com, you contact your supplier, and you see they're selling it here for $2.89 per piece. And then you send your inventory that you've bought from your supplier in China, you send it to an Amazon warehouse, and you sell your products at a higher price on Amazon.com. So see, for example, this sellers here are selling the neck pillows for, you see, $30, $20, and they are selling, you know, a lot of units a day because this is a popular product, right? So they're buying them for $2.89, selling it for $20. So you can only imagine the profit margin in these products, right? So now let's get back to the business. The first thing I want to talk about is what I tell my students on my coaching program is when they start their business is to apply for Chase Inc.'s Business Preferred Credit Card. Why is this? Because what I tell my students when they first start is they need about $5,000 to $7,000, right, to buy that initial inventory from your supplier in China. But instead of buying these products, right, from your bank account straight cash, I recommend that they apply for a credit card. So they purchase these products from their credit card and they get this 80,000 bonus points, right? And then they can pay off the card with the money they have in their bank account, or after they sell out their products on Amazon, they use this money, they pay off the credit card, right? And they earn those points, and then they buy their next round of inventory from their supplier using the credit card, and they all just keep on earning and earning more points. So you better believe you can travel to Europe with 80,000 points, right? Now, another thing I want to cover is that the Chase Inc. Business Preferred also gives you 3 ultimate reward points per dollar spent on advertising, right? So what do I mean by this? So say, for example, once you first get in stock on Amazon and you want your product to be seen on the first page, you have to run what's called a sponsored ad, right? So these guys right here, you see where it says sponsored, right? They're running sponsors, so they're the first to be shown on the Amazon platform, and they are spending some money when it comes to this. Now, obviously, they're making their money back after somebody buys that product, right? But all the money that they're paying Amazon, I recommend that they pay using a Chase Inc. card, because every dollar spent, they earn 3 ultimate rewards, right? So it's all about earning points with your business, right? So you're not only making money from your business, you're earning point, you're paying off the card from the sales that you're getting from Amazon, and you are earning free travel, right? Free hotel stay, just like I did this summer. And for my students who are watching this, I'm going to show you how to set it up on your Seller Central so you have your advertising spend being charged to your Chase Inc. Business Preferred. So we're gonna go here. We're here on our Seller Central, right? We're here on our campaign manager. We're gonna go to advertising settings, and then you're gonna click here where it says advertising bill, and then you're gonna update your advertising bill, and here is where you're going to enter your Chase Inc. card. So all your sponsored ads spent gets charged to the business card, and you earn 3 points per dollar spent on the card, guys. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Again, if you have any questions, leave them on the comments below. Again, if you're interested in joining my FBA coaching program, I'm going to leave a link in my description so you can apply to do so. If you are accepted, we'll get on the call and we'll get started on showing you how to travel the world and earn money with Amazon. Again guys, thank you again for watching.